Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. As part of my frugality, I like to do DIY to save some money and because I can't afford to pay workmen ridiculous prices. So obviously, a part of that DIY, I like to buy tools and I must admit I do like to collect them. I tend to buy Bosch because they're a good mid-range priced tool and I find them affordable and long lasting. My last cordless drill lasted me nearly 20 years and I've got other cordless tools and the battery packs are easy to remove, but I couldn't get it off on this one. So now that I've worked it out, I thought I'd share it with you because I thought someone else might need the help too. So I look at the instructions and it says removing the battery. To remove the rechargeable battery, press the battery release button and pull the battery out. Do not force to do this. So there's no diagram. It doesn't say anything. So I presume that the battery release button is the big red button. Like on Doctor Who. So I'm pressing it down and I'm trying to pull the pack downwards because every tool I've got, the pack pulls downwards. No, that didn't work. So then I look at the charger pack and it's slim. So I thought, oh right, it's just the bottom bit. It's not the whole section that's black. No, that didn't work either. So I'm like, what on earth? So, and it doesn't tell you if you're supposed to keep the button pressed in or not. So I presume it is. So then I tried to pull it forwards. Now, and I'm thinking, is it stuck? Because I have arthritis in my hands, that's why I have cordless tools. So I thought, is it just my hands being weak? So I'm pulling away at it, getting nowhere. So I'm going to do this. Please bear in mind I'm doing this with one hand. So you press the red button, keep it pressed down, and pull it backwards. It's so counterintuitive, isn't it? And I'm like, this makes no sense. So there's the power pack there. So you slide this in, charge it up, and you're sorted. But that just made no sense to me. I'm pulling it down, pulling it forward, and it turns out now you press the button and you pull it backwards, slide it out backwards. Not pull, slide it. So I hope this has been of some use to you. I'm currently renovating my house at the moment. So I've got lots of DIY videos. Please check them out. Please like, share and subscribe and drop us a comment. I'm always interested to know what people are doing. And thanks so much for watching. And I hope it's been of some help to you. And don't forget, press the big red button.